If pairing your phone to your TV is easy as that, how about pairing your remote to your Android TV? If you don't know yet, then just follow this 5-step guide on how to pair, connect, and disconnect your remote to your Android TV. Hi, welcome to Online Whatever Guide, where we do video tutorials and reviews of websites, applications, gadgets, and more. Step 1. Disconnect your remote to your Android TV, because if you don't, it will only stress you out. Step 2. Turn off and plug out your TV and then plug in and turn on again. Why? Because by doing so, you are starting your Android TV by wiping temporary stuff and giving it a chance to run normally. Step 3. Hold your remote's channel up and cursor button up at the same time for 10 seconds. And don't forget to place the remote here to your Android TV while pairing, because placing it too far may lead to failed disconnection. Step 4. Wait for 1 minute after the 10-second process before starting to pair. Step 5. Now go to Setting and choose Remote and Accessories. Look for the remote's name and wait for it to connect to your TV. That will only take less than 1 minute. So that's it. You now know how to pair, connect, and disconnect your remote to your Android TV. Thank you. Thank you for watching Online Web Guide. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share our videos.